Hello, fellow classmates. I really appreciate your help these past 14 weeks. I had to add it up in my mind a little bit. Today, we're going to talk about the That's Gatorade ad campaign. As you can see, it's a bit of a sports metaphor there, and you have Derek Jeter in the background. We have a bold serif font explaining the logo, and there's a smaller one down in here that we're going to get to here in a little bit. Our first analysis is of that, where we have the bold serif stacked, and it catches our attention pretty well, being right there in the center of the screen. And on the bottom, you have a subtitle text: "Drink it, crank it, turn it, lock it up." All caps, provides a call to action on those of us that have been athletes can understand that very well. That was typography. Still having trouble trying to fit everything onto the screen, I'll admit. For the design, the big picture in the center, that big athletic image, supports a masculine type of a brand. So does the font, really. And the strong left alignment on that main logo, that's Gatorade, gives us a main focus. Gives a larger focus on that completely. This page was actually supposed to line up with this page as if it were opened. So that's kind of why that's cut off like that. The color, the baseball uniform contrasts itself with the blue home run wall here in the background that you see there, along with the opposing player's helmet. The white font, the white color font, contrasts those darker background images as well. Moving on here, new ad is our transition slide. I'm not quite exactly sure who the shortstop is for the Tampa Bay Rays, but I found this image recently, and I felt that it matched Jeter pretty well. They're both extremely athletic shortstops. They know their game. This guy's obviously trying to turn a double play here in the center, and I did not do. I aligned this here over the base because I felt the white space really was important with this shot. Put in the same subtitle text, the Gatorade bottle. That's one of the things I did differently was this major logo. I did not put it over the character or the shortstop at all. Again, this is one of those half pages that was cut off, as you can see. Color scheme it is identical to the Derek Jeter shot, especially with the blue wall there in the background with the warning track. This could have been the same game for all I know. The design's still consistent. The athletic image, the bold font. Typography is the same, all caps on the subtext. Same exact one, just kind of fit everything in there. And there you have it. There is the end of it. Thank you very much.